Today's Feature Friday pattern at Love Notions is the Lenox top and dress. This is a really nice pattern that I've made multiple times. It's for neat fabrics and it's got the full size range from extra small to 5X, standard bust and a full bust option. Get it only today for $6. It's great value. There's so many options. You can make so many things. Of course, I have tutorials all about it on the channel. So all the information you need to know will be at the top of the comment section and also in the description box. Remember, I also have a code that gets you 10% off. All the information is down below. It can be a separate top or it can be a dress. There's a little bodice and a skirt that you sew together. What I love the most is the type of neckline. This is one of my Lenox. You can actually take the bodice of the dress and add a hemband and then it becomes a little cute top. And I think this is adorable. I've worn this out multiple times. And then instead of making the dress, I just took the skirt piece that would be attached to this bodice. I added a yoga waistband and I have a separate bruised skirt. So I can wear them together or wear them as separates, and that is something that is really nice. I love that long skirt with the slit. It's so pretty. This is a square neckline. It's easy to finish with these bands. And it's a type of princess seam that comes from here. Bands here as well. It's such a nice pattern. I recently used this pattern to make my anniversary dress in a leopard print. It was more of a winter version, long with long sleeves. So beautiful. I wore it out on my anniversary and I changed up the styling with some red shoes. Really enjoyed my dress. I felt amazing. There is another dress I made when the pattern was released years ago that was in a very hot pink rayon spandex. That dress has expired since then. After a few times of wearing it, it just turned into this ugly fabric. And then there's another one that I've made in an athletic knit that's a top. I wear that all the time and it's such a lovely print. The top has all the same features, all the same cut lines, but it's just got more ease. It's a really nice, not basic t-shirt. So I highly recommend this pattern. Mom and I now are headed off to a flower expo in a city nearby. We're going to see lots of flowers today and it's going to be a beautiful spring flowery day. I'm really going to enjoy the rest of my Friday. I hope you do too. See you again next week on this channel. Bye.